Hey there, productivity rockstar. If you're looking to boost your productivity and achieve your goals, you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving into 5 top productivity tips that will help you stay focused and reach success. Let's get started. 1ST Prioritize your tasks using the Eisenhower Matrix. This method helps you decide what's urgent and important. Here's how it works. Divide your tasks into 4 categories: urgent and important. Do these tasks immediately. Important, but not urgent, schedule these tasks. Urgent, but not important. Delegate if possible. Neither urgent nor important, eliminate these tasks. This way, you can focus on what truly matters and avoid getting bogged down by less important tasks. 2nd, implement the Pomodoro technique. This method is all about working in short, focused bursts to maximize productivity. Work for 25 minutes, then take a 5-minute break. After 4 sessions, take a longer break of 15 to 30 minutes. It's a great way to maintain high levels of concentration and avoid burnout. 3rd, set SMART goals. That means your goals should be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. This clarity helps you stay on track and measure your progress. Break down large goals into smaller, manageable tasks to keep from feeling overwhelmed. SMART goals give you a clear roadmap to success. 4th, avoid multitasking. Focus on one task at a time to maintain quality and efficiency. Minimize distractions, eliminate multitasking, and take regular breaks to recharge. 5th, practice. Mindfulness and self-care. Productivity isn't just about working harder. It's also about working smarter. Regular exercise boosts energy and focus. Getting 7 to 9 hours of sleep keeps your mind sharp. And mindfulness or meditation can reduce stress and improve concentration. Don't forget to take regular breaks to refresh your mind. Taking care of your physical and mental health is crucial for sustained productivity. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update.